there, Michelle from Small Car. I wanted to talk to you today a little bit about our bus radiator fan and shroud. So a lot of questions we get are when people are either wanting to come to the shop and have us do their conversion, or if they want to buy parts and do the project themselves or have a local shop do it. A lot of the T2 customers will ask, where do you put the radiator? How do you do the cooling system? So this is how we do our cooling system. It's been installed in many, many buses. We have thoroughly tested the functionality and heating components of this cooling system. So essentially, if you buy this kit, you will get all of what you're looking at. So we've got the shroud piece that is made here. We have our radiator fan, and then if you look here, the radiator's plumbed in on the inside. We do a nice big cutout on both sides to get proper airflow across. And then you have a scoop in the front as well, so it gets mounted into the bus with a scoop forward. So this is our radiator fan and shroud for T2 bus conversions, and it gets mounted in the belly of the bus. Thanks for checking out our radiator fan and shroud. If you're interested in learning more about doing a project here, give us a ring. If you want to check out the part, visit smallcar.com to check it out.